Are you looking for innovative ways to enhance learning and engagement in your preschool? Hi, I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and in this video, I will show you how to explore exciting preschool technology activities that are sure to captivate your young learners and boost their educational journey. Technology has revolutionized the way we learn, and preschoolers are no exception. By integrating digital technology into your classroom activities, you can create an immersive and interactive experience that ignites children's curiosity and make learning fun. Preschool is a critical time for young children to develop essential skills that form the foundation for future academic success. Digital technology can play a crucial role in fostering these skills by providing engaging and interactive learning opportunities. For example, the effective integration of digital technologies can support and enhance learning and development in literacy and numeracy, creativity, science learning, problem solving, and social and emotional development. It is essential then, in today's digital age, for young children to be familiar with technology and to be equipped with sufficient experience to enable them to use ICT without having to stop and think. Allow me to introduce you to our ICT in Education Teacher Academy that delivers a diverse range of developmentally appropriate preschool technology activities that cover all aspects of the early childhood curriculum. As a member of the Academy, you'll have the opportunity to access these activities that are specifically designed to engage and educate preschoolers in a way that captivates their imagination. There are many benefits to joining our membership, including gaining access to a wealth of meticulously crafted preschool technology activities. Sure, you can access them by simply downloading them for free, but why not access them through one of our focused ECE online workshops, where you can get the expertise that you need through learning supporting educational theories that back each and every one of our lesson plans for early childhood education. Not only that, but you walk away with a certificate of completion and 3 hours worth of PD to show that you have integrated our activities seamlessly into your existing curriculum framework, enhancing both teacher effectiveness and student engagement. You can then enjoy the many bonuses that we have for members, including video replays of industry experts and ebooks for your professional reading. When you become a member of the Academy, you can be assured that you will be joining a community of like-minded people. Feel supported and confident with the wide range of resources that we can offer you, from our classroom-ready technology integrated lesson plans to our ongoing professional development opportunities. Our membership program will empower you and make you feel confident in the implementation of preschool technology activities, regardless of your experience or comfort level with digital technology. Seize the opportunity today and become a member and take advantage of this unique opportunity to transform your teaching approach. And don't forget, as a member, to access our treasure trove of preschool technology activities that I promise will inspire and enrich your children's learning experiences.